Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can restore recently closed tabs in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us get started. Launch the Microsoft Edge web browser and let's assume, for example, you closed a tab like this one here. So let me close it for demonstration purposes. And after that, guys, if you, for example, close it accidentally and would like to restore it without accessing your entire watch history here on Edge, what you want to do, guys, is simply click on that button in the top left, tap Actions menu, and from that menu below, select Recently Closed Tabs. That is going to open up that short view of your browsing history, guys. So for example, you will see most or all websites you have visited recently. So as you can see at the top are the most recently visited websites. So you may simply restore them by left clicking on them, and that is going to redirect you automatically to that website, and it's going to be restored in the tab. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.